Today we bring you to the heart of Sahuarita, Arizona, more specifically Stonehouse. Hey everybody, I'm so excited to show you this house today. This has a view of the Santa Rita Mountains. It has more than 50 acres of wildlife. This is just an absolutely gorgeous location. The best part is that it's a luxury gated residential community. Now, it's super hard to actually see these houses, so they have such a fast turnaround from the moment they're built to the moment that they're giving to the client. So we're actually super lucky to be able to see this home today. Now, this home is already purchased, but I want to show you the house that you can build one day here in Stonehouse. Now, in Stonehouse, you get to work with two preferred builders, and this builder in specific is going to be AF Sterling Homes. This home is absolutely gorgeous, so let's go ahead and get going. Stonehouse is truly special. As I mentioned earlier, it's located in Sahuarita, Arizona, overseeing the Santa Rita Mountains. The moment you drive into Stonehouse, you're welcomed by this elegant stone pillared main entry. If you stick with me through the video, you'll see at the end that amazing main entrance I'm talking about. As you drive through the gates, you will witness how they have strategically maintained a beautiful natural landscape, which is over 50,000 acres. Talk about fully enjoying the Sonoran Desert. These amazing homes are also minutes away from Madera Canyon. Approximately 30 minutes from Tucson, this location gives you that opportunity to live remote while living close to the city. Now, AF Sterling is an award winning builder here in Arizona, and they are one of your choices to custom build your home here. As you walk towards this home we are about to tour, you will see these gorgeous tall windows in the main entrance, which really gives it that wow factor. The home has an open concept, which is full of natural light, a beautiful waterfall island in the kitchen, and a very spacious outside patio with a stub for barbecue. You have the ability to purchase a lot and build your dream home. There are lots still available at Stonehouse, anywhere from half an acre to about 2 acres. So let's connect if you want to build your dream home today. Other than that, enjoy the tour.